We are back for season 2 of installs and shit. Starting it off today is Biltwell Inc.'s new Alumicore Grips. Very cool, very nice product. CNC machine from 6061 aluminum. They look good on the bike, easy install. I've got them on this bike behind me right here. What is up, everybody? Steve here with Speed Kings, and we are back for season 2 of installs and shit. Whatever else we do here with the stuff behind me, the lift, and all the good products. Starting it off today is Biltwell Inc.'s new Alumicore Grips. I've personally been running these already for a little bit of time prior to their release. I got lucky and stole a set when I was there one day, don't tell them. I've got them on this bike behind me right here. Very cool, very nice product. CNC machine from 6061 aluminum. All these Alumicore grips come with the rubber insert right here in black with their new TPV material. It's a highly UV resistant soft rubber, so you get a lot more use out of these inserts. Then you can throw a different color on to match your bike scheme. The physical rubber grip section is only available in the thruster grip pattern, which is the diamond pattern. They're also available for your dual cable or throttle-by-wire applications, so you can basically run these on any bike. They're available in anodized black or chrome. This is the black side, or chrome. The feel compared to a standard Biltwell grip is a little bit thicker, I guess you could say, but I kind of enjoyed that. For me, I was always running the recoil grips. They kind of got a little bigger in the center anyways, so I really like this. It's got a nice cushion. Biltwell always comes through with the quality and comfort that we like. I've already got a few hundred miles on a set of these, and I'm really digging them. They're a great product. They look good on the bike, easy install. The chrome is beautifully shiny. The black is nice and black like my heart. They're coming in at $149.95 for the set, and your insert replacements are gonna be $19.95. Once you already have the full set, from then on in your whole lifespan, you're just replacing the inserts for 20 bucks whenever you wanna change them out. Go ahead and check these out, speed-kingscycle.com. So we've already went ahead and removed our stock throttle tube, loosened our housings, okay? You gotta loosen your perch and everything, kind of get the housing to move around a little bit better. We're at the point where we're ready to just go ahead and install these bad motherfuckers right here. These Alumicore fucking shit right here. Yeah. So we just go ahead and slide this on, boop. Kind of grab your housing a little bit, get it into place. Everything just kind of locks into place. You can feel the throttle working right there. You can feel like the little spring back. You don't want to have it pulled super tight on that puck, but you don't want to have it to where if you kind of, pull the slack out of it, it's still not engaging. You know what I mean? So you want to have it a little loose. You don't want to put too much pressure on that end throttle-by-wire puck, but you don't want to be able to pull the gears off the puck either, okay? So there's that happy in between. On the throttle-by-wire throttle side, you have this little screw right here. It does absolutely nothing for the installation besides removes this end cap to put a new grip on. So unless you're swapping the grip out, you just keep this nice and tight. On the non-throttle side, we'll get to that. You can go ahead and kind of start putting everything back together and tightening it up. Tighten everything, replace my lid lock, put our screws back in our housing here. Tight. Look at that. Everything seems to be working proper. The non-throttle side is where all the magic happens. You can see on the inside here how there's a lope that's about twice the size of the other section. Well, that's because that fits in the housing only one way. So it kind of makes it a lot easier for you. So the smaller of the section here is gonna fit in the top of the housing. So this is our top that we've already taken off. And the larger section goes to the bottom housing. If you try to do it the opposite way, it doesn't fit in properly. Secondly, it has this swedge end right here. When you put it through, it's gonna go inside the bar end, and as you tighten down, these are gonna actually split open and kind of make a swedge and hold it in place so it doesn't spin. What we'll go ahead and do is just slide this into place. Everything's nice and loose. We'll go ahead and position our cam lobe, pull our items up. Let's get our housing on first. Boop. Now, to help everything, we'll just go ahead and tighten our clutch perch. That'll kind of keep everything from moving around. So now we got this into place. Let's put our cam in the right spot. Now, We'll go ahead and place our top cap for our control housing. Go ahead and pop our screws in real quick. So now we got the grip on everything. Everything's kind of tightened down. We're gonna go ahead and put our swedge system in. So we just wanna make sure it's kind of loose, but these things can basically line up just like that so they go in straight. Once you get them all the way through, push it onto your grip end, and we're gonna go ahead and tighten this down. As we tighten it, it pulls those swedges closer to the end and separates them and pushes them out towards the wall of your bar. Get it nice and tight. She ain't going nowhere. We just went through and installed these badass Alumicore grips made by Biltwell. I really dig them, I like them. I think you're gonna like them. I think they're one of the newest, hottest tickets on the market right now, and we're stoked to run them. You can find them at speed-kingcycle.com. Make sure you check those out along with all the other products we go through on our YouTube channel. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill.